Once upon a time, there was a red pepper that proclaimed with gusto, "I'm so strong." Little did it know a chef was about to chop it, leading to an unexpected reaction. As the knife struck the pepper, the chef sneezed loudly and exclaimed, "You're really too much!" This unexpected moment filled the kitchen with laughter and surprise. In that moment, the red pepper felt a mix of pride and amusement, realizing its strength had indeed made an impression, bringing joy to the bustling kitchen. The chef decided to use the red pepper in his special dish, showcasing its flavor and strength, transforming the kitchen into a place of culinary delight.